Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Now, today we're going to be making these adorable little kitty cats made from paper. Aren't they lovely? They're perfect. If you make a little black one, it could be a little Halloween black cat, or you make a little pattern one, add some stripes, turn it into a tiger. Really, really cute. Anyway, let's take a look and see how easy it is to make these. So you will need 2 pieces of origami paper. I think it's better to use origami paper for these because then you get that nice little contrast around the mouth area. But of course you can use plain paper too. The first thing to do is we're going to make the head. So in order to do that, we bring this corner up to that corner to form a triangle. Obviously do it as neatly as possible. Then you bring this corner up here so that the sides align, these sides align, and the corners at the top. And bring the same up on this side. Now if you need to, freeze the video as you go along so you get each step as you get it done. So now I'm going to turn it round. Okay, I've turned it round so my flaps are at the bottom. Now you choose how big you want your cat's ears to be. So do you want them little? Do you want them big? You know, I quite like them to be quite cute. So if you do it higher up or lower down, you get the different ears. I'm going to do it a little bit sort of lower. And then the tricky bit is to try and match the other side exactly. So you line up that line with that line there. Check before you flatten it too much. I think that's quite good. And you can give your cats a different character by doing different, you know, the ears higher up or lower down. Now you just take a little bit at the top, just to check. This is going to be your cat's head, like so. And already you can see a basic cat, can't you? So I'm just going to make sure all these creases are nice and neat. Turn it around. Now I'm going to take both flaps and fold it, I don't know, to maybe this point meeting about the middle, like so. Give it a good crease. Now open up, lift this and pop this one underneath. You only want the one. Then take this little bit down to make a nose. And you have your basic cat face. Isn't that adorable? I like to just tuck the corners in. Don't have to, but I like to do that. And then you have your little cat. So that's the face. I'm going to put some little eyes on it. Like so. You don't have to. I think it looks really nice even without. And the body, I tell you, is even easier. So what you do with the body is you turn it around with the white side facing up, or if you want a white body, you can have the white bit facing up. You fold this up like so to get your triangle shape. Now you turn it, okay? You turn it so you've got the diagonal here and the rectangle there. You just fold this in like so, and that is your tail. Now here comes the clever bit. I love this bit. Unfold this slightly, put this in, sort of position the head as you want it. Do you want it looking that way or that way? I kind of want it like this. And then with the pointy bit tucked in, fold it. And that way your cat will, the body and the head will stay connected and your cat can easily stand up. Isn't that adorable? I think these are so cute. Now you could easily decorate this one as a line. You can put in some little spots. You can put some stripes in. You know, I just think they're absolutely adorable. So like, add to your playlist, comment, subscribe, and of course we'll see you here again soon. Bye.